This bus was created by Starr, who not only built the bus but also scripted its movement. She provided a thoughtful guided narration that enhanced the tour, helping participants understand what they were seeing and what was coming next, just like at a real-world tour. The journey begins as people from the VWEC get on the tour bus and lifts off, yes, lifts off, from the OpenSim World's Fair, rising into the sky above the Training in the 21st Century exhibit. We soar across Paris, gliding past the glowing Moulin Rouge, beneath the towering Arc de Triomphe. This is why I'm passionate about 3D training. It brings the world to life. Now, we're going over Venice, my home away from home, sailing above the Grand Canal and the Rialto Bridge. These moments were co-created by Kimm, Starr, and myself, blending art, culture, and storytelling in a way only 3D can.
They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but in 3D, we need a short video clip to be able to tell most of the story. In this segment, we watch as Carla Kincaid Yoshikawa leads a tour for her colleagues, highlighting just how accessible and powerful AI has become for creating in 3D worlds. This isn't just about exploring a space, it's about discovering the tools that empower anyone to build their own. As Carla walks through the exhibit, she passes 4 booths featuring Tripo 3D, 3D AI Studio, Gino, and Rodin. Each of these AI platforms was given the exact same prompts. Yet, as you'll notice from both the video and the still image, the results vary dramatically. Different furniture, different refrigerators, and entirely distinct interpretations. It's a compelling visual demonstration of how each tool interprets creativity in its own unique way. Interestingly, the entire space you see was built using Meshi, an AI-based tool that simplifies the creation of 3D models from images or sketches. Meshi makes it easy to generate base models, which are then refined using Blender, a powerful 3D modeling tool, to prepare them for use in-world. At the end of the video, Carla introduces one of the many AI image generators that's making waves in 3D, Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI tool that transforms simple text prompts into stunning images. These images are often used as textures, concept art, or reference points when building 3D environments. Its style-driven approach produces results that are not only visually rich, but also creatively inspiring, serving as a valuable resource for designers working in virtual worlds. This demonstration reminds us that we're not just observers, we're creators, and with tools like these, the possibilities are virtually endless.
As you watch this, imagine your students stepping into art, not just looking at it, but walking through it. That's the power of 3D environments. It transforms learning. They're not just reading about Hokusai, they're standing in front of that towering wave, feeling the motion, the moment, like stepping into history. With a single click, they teleport to Maxfield Parrish's glowing dreamscapes, bathed in golden light and that unforgettable Parish blue. Then bam! Jean-Michel Basquiat. His art doesn't whisper, it shouts, raw, rhythmic, alive with energy. In 3D, his voice practically echoes off the walls. From there, it's a cosmic leap to Peter Max's psychedelic universe, bright colors, swirling space, and pop culture magic. His work wasn't just art, it was everywhere. Then comes Frida Kahlo, fierce, fearless, painting her truth with every brushstroke. In 3D, her spirit surrounds you. And finally, the elegance of Erte, master of Art Deco. His figures don't pose, they perform, draped in flowing fantasy and timeless style. And those pieces you just saw on the right, generated with ChatGPT. Every exhibit is a portal. This is where technology meets imagination. This is how we bring art alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show will begin shortly. We're delighted to welcome you to a designer's legacy, from paper to pixels. This special fashion exhibit was inspired by the remarkable body of work Gino left behind, a collection of creativity, elegance, and timeless style. We invite you to linger, reflect, and celebrate the legacy of a man who turned imagination into art.
Up first is Gino's red silk and chiffon cocktail dress. It boasts a plunging neckline for the more daring gal. The dress is adorned with jewel clasps at the neck and the waist. You too can be the lady in red.
Kimm used AniMaster to sync the voiceover with the model's movements, coordinating every step, turn, and description of the animesh characters. For animesh models, using traditional walk animations were synchronized with the vivid descriptions and with each other via AniMaster, creating a seamless blend of storytelling and style. Gino's original sketches served as the foundation for this show, each design a wearable work of art. The 3D show concluded with a final bow by Gino's avatar. And then a deeply symbolic moment. Near Gino's passing, when he was staying with Karima, he noticed he would sometimes flap his arms. She finally asked him, "Why are you flapping your arms?" He turned to her and said, "I'm turning into a butterfly." She remembered this a few days later when he passed away. With Gino's final farewell, she included this memory of him by showing his transformation into a radiant butterfly to honor his belief in transformation and his enduring spirit. Only in 3D could this kind of real-time symbolic meaning be communicated so easily. The fashion show is just one example of the innovation thriving in OpenSim and Second Life, where immersive experiences turn creativity, storytelling, and skill building into something amazing that can extend a legacy.